In this video, I will show you how to enable assistant menu in Samsung Mobile. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Samsung Mobile. Alternatively, you can swipe down from the top and then tap on gear icon to access settings. Now on the settings screen, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Here you will find an option assistant menu with toggle button. At the moment this is off, so just tap on toggle button. This will give you a confirmation box. Just tap on allow and assistant menu will appear on the screen. When you tap on assistant menu, you will get several options like screen control, power off menu, volume control and screenshots. So that is how you can enable assistant menu in Samsung Mobile. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.